Hi there. Today, we're checking out the SCITOO plastic front bumper cover replacement designed specifically for 2013 to 2016 Ford Escape models. Featuring the interchange part number CJ5Z17D957BCPTM. Made from durable ABS plastic, this bumper cover is built to withstand harsh weather and rough road conditions while protecting your vehicle's hood, trunk, grille, fuel, and cooling system. The product comes with all the necessary hardware for a straightforward, no-cut, no-punch installation that fits perfectly with your car body. Plus, it's pre-painted but also offers the flexibility to customize with your favorite color for a personalized, stylish look. Whether you're repairing or upgrading, this bumper cover combines strength and style with ease of installation. Remember to double-check your vehicle's OE number and year before installing to ensure a perfect fit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more details. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.